The Town Gown Fire Safety Community Service Project teaches young adults fire safety by doing fire safety. Are you practicing whole home safety? Fire, smoke, and carbon monoxide are deadly threats to people and pets and can strike at any time. Smoke and carbon monoxide alarms provide early warning in the event of an emergency. Install smoke and carbon monoxide alarms on every level of your home, including the basement. Smoke alarms should be placed in every bedroom and carbon monoxide alarms near every sleeping area. Test your alarms regularly and replace batteries at least once a year, or switch to 10-year sealed battery alarms. These may be required in your city or state. If your home is not equipped, install smoke and CO alarms today. And remember to replace smoke alarms every 10 years and CO alarms every 5 to 10 years. For more information on smoke and CO alarms, visit nfpa.org/smoke alarms and nfpa.org/carbon monoxide. First Alert, firstalert.com. Campus Firewatch, campus-firewatch.com. Michael H. Minger Foundation, mingerfoundation.org.